Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, but quite the price movement today, and then you correspond that down here with the fact of the volume, and the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So yeah, a lot of eyeballs on this one. Although this chart is now looking a little sketchy, I am going to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt, and I'll explain what I mean by that in a second. But yeah, there's no doubt about it, the price made a great move. And then the kind of late day pullback happened. And then again, each of these represents 30 minutes. You look at the final 30 minutes of the day, not a huge surge in volume, but still a good amount of volume. And then you can see that, the final red candle here formed. So, it's kind of a little sketchy now. But like I said, I'm going to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt, and that's all based on this premise right here, that the price is still having the ability to stay away from where it was. What do I mean by that? Well, from a big picture point of view, you want to see just overall progress being made. So if the price comes down here, behaves in that manner at the green line, and then starts to work its way upwards, what do you have from the big picture point of view? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have some lows right here. You'd have these lows down here. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, you have overall stair steps continuing to progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. Just from an overall perspective, it's going to, drift itself upwards and make progress. Where on the flip side of things, let's say the price comes down to this level and then breaks through it and then separates to the downside. What would you have at that point in time? You would literally have the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power are not going to be going back to where they were. They're going to be making progress forward. So that's why that green line is so important, and why I'm still giving the bulls a chance, because they have an opportunity to build that higher stair step. So that, in my mind at least, is priority number one going forward. Let's see if the bulls can chip away and build a higher low or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.